Hey, how's it going, folks? Welcome back to another video. And in this video, real quick, I'm just going to tell you guys exactly what I see and what I think of Android 17 QPR 1 on the Google Pixel 10. So first off, for those people that need to understand, this is not full-fledged Android 17 public release yet. This is just the QPR 1 beta, and it's for, like the September feature drop and everything like that. So if you get this installed on your phone from Android 17 beta 4, then yeah, you would literally have to wait until the Pixel drop in order to opt out of the beta program without wiping all your data. So just keep that in mind. But anyways, yeah, so what I've noticed isn't really much. Like I've told people, Android 17 beta 4 is pretty much platform stability and damn near close to general availability. So it's really just about finding any more annoying bugs that could cause issues with these Pixel devices and then getting them basically fixed before the general availability public release gets pushed out. So that's really what it is. So if you're like, well, when is Android 17 going to be fully ready? I mean, you really don't need to wait for it to be fully ready. You kind of already have it with beta 4. But I decided to take QPR 1 just to kind of see, if I notice anything different. Now, there's lists of things that are, talking about hidden features and stuff like that. I'm not really going to deep dive too much into those because there's tons of videos on that. But what can I say so far? Like, have I found any major bugs? Is there any issues that I'm going through with it? And so, first off, let me address the battery drain situation. My Pixel 10 is not facing it right now to what I've noticed. Like I can keep it in idle. I can, light usage it and it doesn't drain superly fast. So, I mean, that's not a problem that I'm facing. What I am facing though, and I don't know if other people have this issue, is the biometric sensor. So when I do the fingerprint unlock, sometimes it, most of the time it reads it, but then there's a time where like if it's sitting for a while and then like, I wake the screen to do it and then it doesn't read it. It doesn't read my fingerprint, or no matter how hard I press on the screen, it's not registering it, so it doesn't unlock. That could be a bit of an annoyance to some people out there, but I don't know if it's just, my device or if it's isolated into, isolated, or if it's not like a non-isolated situation. That's something that I've noticed. One thing that does kind of aggravate me about, the new quick settings and, pertaining to basically separating the mobile data and Wi-Fi. So you have the ability to turn off the Wi-Fi all on its own. But the problem with that is that with that quick setting toggle, when you touch it, it disconnects your phone from the Wi-Fi, but it doesn't exactly turn off the Wi-Fi. So your Wi-Fi antennas is still seeking a, connection and stuff like that, which could be absolutely annoying. Of course, you get this new thing now where it shows you that, you're all caught up when you dismiss notifications rather than what it was before. But for the most part, it's Android, it's Material U UI, and so not a bunch of drastic things have changed as far as like theming, icons, and all that other stuff. As far as how it performs, it's performing just great. I'm not having any issues at all with its performance, so I would definitely say, not a major big deal there. But audios is still pretty good, no problems at all whatsoever with the audios on my Pixel 10. And camera functionality is all good and working. No bug issues experienced there. So for the most part, Android 17 QPR 1 is just fine. Not having any problems just yet. If I run into any more bug issues, I definitely will make an update video about it. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys have specific questions regarding Android 17 QPR 1, drop them in the comment section. And in the next video regarding this, I will address those directly. But until then, thanks for watching. And as always, aloha.